I want to be in it. I want to be in it.
Yo, you already know what it is. It's your boy StayGreatShawn. I'm back with another video. Okay. So yeah, we at the beach right now. Go ahead and say what's up, my boy. You already know. Yes, sir. We got the boys and berries. Oh, it's not it. It's really all the boys and berries out here. Yeah, we at the beach right now. We always go here, but it's the first time y'all ever seen it. So yeah, what are we doing right now, my boy?
We're trying to act like we're not drinking because the cops are.
Oh yeah, it is over there. You know, he over there swimming.
But we're about to go shred some Nor on this skim.
All right, let's get it done, man. Let's get it done.
Ready, set, go! Yeah, they did.
They all went way before I go. Run ahead. Y'all all went way.
You all cheated.
Way before I go.
There's the cutie Jevon over there. She's gonna be the timer girl. All right, get over there. Come on, you're gonna say who wins. Look at her run. All right. All right, look at that beautiful background there. All right, y'all ready?
Wait a second.
Let's get it, boys. What happened, Sean? What happened?
I fucking tripped.
Jevon, you got it done.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. All y'all lost. All y'all lost.
You stopped.
Good job, Adriana.
I took the L, y'all. Shoot. Ooh. I took the freaking L, bro. I was supposed to win on that last one, bro. I was the one. My freaking, I did too long of a stride. I couldn't catch myself. Freaking trip. Sorry though. Hold on, they about to race. Ah! They about to race right quick, y'all.
Wait, 1, go.
Ooh, Hayden moving. Jevon won that though.
Jevon won.
Yeah. Hayden moving though.
No, y'all all went evenly, but like.
I heard this is so late.
I had about 7 feet in front of me. I heard that shit's so late. Who can hold that the longest?
Oh, probably you. Yeah.
He was like 7 foot. Wait.
I jumped.
Okay, Hayden.
Hayden, you moved though. I'm not gonna lie. Hayden was
Hayden was a
moving.
big man moving.
Yeah, big boy moving.
Hayden, Joseph.
I had both. I had all of y'all at the first.
Wait, everybody's out.
Let's start with my heels on the line. I'll start with my heels on the line.
I'm gonna get you out.
Hey, I apologize. Oh, we gotta start outside.
Jevon, don't look at me like that, bro.
Hey guys, I'm sorry about this. I might get aggressive.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I might be.
Listen. All right, ready?
I might try to record already. She says go.
Ready, set, go. Let's go. Let's go! Come on! Hayden won!
It's kind of time. It's kind of time.
Really, both.
No, Dylan had 2 feet in.
I said time. Which side?
Second round.
Ready,
set, go.
Dude, y'all cheated, man. Hell no.
Come on, get in!
Okay.
Come on, Hayden, go! Go, Hayden, go!
Oh my God.
That's crazy! That sucks.
I'm so glad I was a part of this.
Ready? Spin to your right. 1, 2, 3, spin.
I had to break the corner. You gotta switch, Joseph, come here. You're on my side though.
Where's it? Dylan? Oh, there's your body. Alright, Dylan, to the right. 1, 2, 3, go.
That was a fail.
I was coming.
You gotta swing me?
White word.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the heck? How do I roll coaster calm down?
Man, you already know what it is.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I'm home after the end of that video. It's the next morning, and me and my cereal right now, my G. I'm eating the little strawberry Lucky Charms things that they got going on. I don't know. It's my first time trying it. It's pretty good. But I'm in the midst of editing right now, so I think probably every video gonna end with me just sitting here editing. Like, you know, I'm telling y'all. Every video gonna end with me just sitting here in the midst of editing, thinking like, dang, I forgot to do an outro. I'm gonna do one now. So, y'all already know what it is. Y'all can go ahead and hit me up on all my social medias at StayGreatShawn. Alright, there we go. Y'all can hit me up on all my social medias at StayGreatShawn across all platforms. Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter. Follow me on all those, man. So you can stay updated with the videos, and that's where I post some of the other stuff and like stuff that doesn't get put on YouTube. So yeah, man, go ahead and hit me up there. Follow me on all my social medias. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because it got more bangers coming. I got so many more ideas. It was just a little beach vlog today, you know what I'm saying? Just something to do with my boys that we usually do like every other Thursday. So yeah, I mean, go ahead, mess with the video. Go ahead, like, comment down what you want to see next. And yeah, it's your boy StayGreatShawn. I'm out. Peace.